All right, so number 8 tells me 9k squared minus 30k plus 16. 9 times 16. 144. Middle number goes on top. Need to find two things that multiply to this and add to this. Since this is negative, these are both going to be negative. So negative 1 times negative 144, not going to work. Negative 2 times negative 72, not going to work. Negative 3 times negative 4 times 20, 8 times, not going to work. Negative 4 times 36, negative 36, not going to work. Negative 5, no. Negative 6 times negative 24, and that's going to add to negative 30. So those are going to be my numbers. I'm going to go k minus 6 over 9, k minus 24 over 9. I'm going to simplify them. This becomes 2/3, and this becomes 8/3. The 3 is going to come up, so it's going to be 3k minus 2, and the 3 is going to come up on this one, so 3k minus 8. And that's the answer. Next set of questions is actually asking me something different. It's asking me, tell me the direction the function opens, the movement left, right, and the movement up, down. So 9, I'm just gonna write it. Hopefully you can, well, I'll do the first two. I'll write them down for the first two. But then after that, I'm just gonna say what the movement is, because you can look at the problem in front of you. The A, there's not a number here, which means it's 1, which is positive. So this is gonna open up. This is minus 1, so it's to the right 1. And this is minus 3, so it's down 3. Number 10 says y equals 2x minus 2 squared minus 1. This is positive, so it opens up. Minus 2, so it's to the right 2. Minus 1, so it's down 1. Number 11, it's negative, so it's going to open down. Plus 3, so it's going to go to the left 3, and plus 2, so it's going to go up 2. Number 12, it's negative, so it's going to open down. Minus 3, so it goes to the right 3, plus 2, so it goes up 2. Number 13, it's positive, so it's going to open up. Plus 4, so to the left 4, and then plus 4, so up 4. Number 14, it's negative, so it's going to open down. Plus 3, so to the left 3, and plus 3, so up 3. Next ones are asking me to complete the square. It's going to be a little bit more tricky. So 15 tells me p squared plus 12p plus 20 equals 0. So we trap the x's, we drop an x from each. We're going to divide by 2, because we skip step 3 because there's not a number in front there. Then we square it, the parentheses. And we're going to subtract ah squared, which is going to be 6 squared, which is 36. Then we simplify. Now because we're solving, we're going to add this 16 to the other side. And then we're going to square root. When I do the square root, I have to set it equal to a positive and to a negative. And then I'm going to add, subtract 6 on both of them. And then I'm going to list them in roster notation. I'd like to put the smaller number first, which is negative 10. But it's not absolutely necessary. I'm going to start another one because I ran out of paper.